Ayan, early morning guys. It's a Saturday and looks like it's windy. Yeah, and I can hear the bullfrog on the other side. 5:45 in the morning. And let's see if there's market today. There's typhoon.
How you pronounce it?
Huh? Monsoon.
Yeah.
Monsoon rain. Oh, I like this drive. Nobody's here.
No tricycles. No motorcycles. Yeah.
They're sleeping in still early. It's Saturday. This is a concrete company on the right. What's the name of it?
Look at all the rocks that fell off into the street.
And it start raining.
Yeah.
Careful with this tree. Oh, it's always been like that.
Like this.
You like this?
Nobody out in the street.
Only the rain.
Yeah.
So you're fighting over. Not motorcycle and tricycles.
People.
It's so empty.
And people.
This is usually crowded in here. The roundabout when Jollibee is up. But look, there's nobody here. Even here. You like this?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try. Very little. This is where it's
Always congested.
in.
It's not right now.
The road actually wide
Mm-hmm.
and nobody's here. And it's going to the market too.
Yeah.
Ay, ulan. Ayan guys, market. Ayan guys, first trip ng aking paninda. Binalik na. Ay, yak. we came home and look, we are going to do. This is 100 lang oh. Langgaw. Look. Tuba. Aslom ko na dyan. And then I got libas ng oh. Panglaga. Why pataga? May mangka man ko. That is ano 20. Libas 20. Are 100. Ha? Oh, saging ko na kabit. Tapos I have talong. 100 per kilo ang talong. Are tagpulo. Oh. Purple kamote. I got two. Ay, tangkong. There's tangkong.
Ah, may gabi ka.
Oo, nakabakal ko. And, dyan.
Tanda mo ang bilong.
Here's the talong, 100 per kilo. And okra this time, 7 pieces for 10 pesos.
Don't forget to get Ante in the picture.
And carrots and potato right here. I got bell peppers, honey. And long peppers. And kamatis. Tomatoes.
And nay.
Tomatoes, 60 per kilo this time.
Don't forget to get nay in it.
And I have kuchinta and puto. Oh, I got this 20 pesos taugi nang. Oh, and pinakas. I got pinakas. This is 90 pesos. 6 pieces. And this gabi is 50 pesos. Diyan nang. Nang 50 dyan gido. Mahal. Mahal. And then kamote. This is 60 per kilo. I don't know. What else did I got? Oh, the saba is 60 per kilo nang. Mahal na. Ayan, because we have gabi, we have gata. This is 50 pesos. 2 coconuts, 25 each with galing. And here's the ano, bagongon. Bagongon, 20 pesos. It's not there yet. And I got tuna slices. 150, 3 pieces. Tulingan. Why ko ka bakalisda na?
Ano na?
Diyan, ano siya, tuna? Ay, tulingan nga tagko, no? 150 dyan, yun? Every time I go to the market, the girls like this. These are their favorites. This is kuchinta. And this is puto. Ayan, in the middle of our breakfast, it got brown out. Brown out! Guys, so the anamon, kapag
You never had one.
leftover adobo, linagang okra,
Oh, labanos.
labanos,
Dugang ganun.
salad.
Plug.
Go wash your
Ay,
hands.
dumuunod na kahina. Dahil may unod ka.
Ay, nakigan pa. Wanong kuno-uno na mo pag-vlog. Manang said, why did you vlog when the food is...
Why not what?
The food is almost gone. Like, earlier you could have vlogged when the food's still there. Nadun lang.
I know, you're supposed to show before.
So windy. Ayan, we are sitting by the porch because there's no power. Ayan, we can people watch on the porch too while we drink coffee.
Why you drink coffee? You never offer me any.
Here, you want some coffee, honey?
No, thank you, babe. I wanted a morning kiss. Video that.
Morning kiss. Morning kiss, Kalma. What you doing?
I want a morning kiss. Waiting on my morning kiss. What happened to giving a...
Lola? What? What are you doing? Naupo din siya sa tabi ko, oh. What you doing, babe? Ah, tuyo pa, tuyo. Ay, yeah. Wait. No, 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 no. And then,
So
ayan,
this
guys,
is what I put it.
we go read the book anyway.
I like that.
Pulling his generator because it's brown out. Steve pulling his generator because it's brown out. Cool. It started but there's no gas.
Lola,
No gas.
isn't it supposed to be a quiet generator?
Ay, puro pak ko lang.
Ang gahon na ni. Oo, ay pa maglunog.
Ti ay gurobon paran.
Yan ang kalit.
Mas namit ko na ba ni mana kung rako amo ka dya unod.
Oo.
Hindi dyan pagugasan na. Din gamit ko to kayo na. Manang will cook this guys. Gabi. Ano dyan sa Tagalog man? Laing.
Daing. Daing.
Tapos, the ano, the sahog is bagongon. Ayun. And ano, pagid na nga mularan? Kagata. How we go cook the ano. Ano ganit tawag sa nato ng gabi? Or laing sa Tagalog ata. Ayan. Wait a minute. And then manang doing the gata. The first piga is right here. And then the second squeeze of the coconut milk, she is going to put as the water for here. Ayan. So nami, tanan dyan ang marapuyo, tanan kay sa kahapon, no?
Sige, tama mo. Sino tubig mo?
Ano dyan is 1 cup?
Ah, sobra.
Maskin, kay basi nagdaan ang
Isa ka ito, ano.
And this is the second squeeze of
Ibutang ko
coconut
daw.
milk.
Amo na ibutang ko to. Amo igat tubig ko lang.
Sige lang. Tapos butangan ka, lang ang langgaw?
Ah, karon lang.
Langgaw gid
Oo,
man?
kag-
Or sinigang mix?
Langgaw na gamay ka. Butangan pwede man. Sinigang mo.
Langgaw
Langgaw na
lang?
gamay ka. Luya.
Oh, okay. Cool. Bantayan kami lula ba nung here's man cutting the tail of what's this ng bagungon snail. Bagungon snail. Amo na basta stop lola. That's how you do it. Huh? Ano na ispating?
Binangon mo ko.
Sabi na. Guys, and our neighbor Gingging gave us kalubay. This is kalubay or opo in Tagalog. Gourd, some kind of gourd. Laki. Siguro mga isang kilo. Yan na ang ginataan namin. Deliver. Okay, dyan. Takway na pilian na 70 plus 10. Ay, 2. Mas yan. Ayun, hindi na. Ay, sinyo. Ayun, I'm making Steve's ano kasi lunch or meal. Lunch up to dinner and potato soup. Guys. I don't have bacon. Yung sahog niya is Chinese sausages. Let's see how it going to taste. There's a brown out, and so I opened the windows. It's so windy outside. I don't know. Woo! Whoops! This? It's gonna be the same. makasupsup ka dyan, kami lang makaon. Lain, ang dali na pagkaon ko na ba? Guys, I'm eating snail. Tadaw na bili. Pa. Snail, bagungon. Ano sa Tagalog, bagungon ng man? Suso?